Alright, so we're here at Vogel State Park, and is that it? Vogel? Is that how you say it?
Yep.
And we're about to start the backcountry loop, the Coosa Backcountry Trail. It's a loop that goes around the outskirts of the park, and we may take a little side trips going up Blood Mountain, and what else, little side trip you were talking about? Little side trails?
The Coosa Bald up the Benton Mackay Trail.
So maybe up the Benton Mackay up to Coosa Bald, and so we're gonna check some things out, have a good time. So yeah, let's check it out. It is Friday at 7:43, so we got about an hour before it gets dark, and we're gonna try to get down into the trail a little bit and find a campsite, set up camp, and hang out for the night, and then get it going next for the weekend. All right, let's go. Right. That's probably all you're gonna need. It's not gonna be bad. Yeah. Mountain.
Yeah, but
That's what it says.
Doesn't show that trail.
Yeah. Which map do you have? Yeah, I got the same one. Except this printout.
Approach. Well, this is it.
Yeah, I saw the. I thought the Blood Mountain Trail was further on, so maybe it's not.
I was in the wrong spot, dude. Yeah.
So we got to be like right here or something.
I think we're right there.
Yeah, right there. Is that where it breaks off?
Yeah. Left, right. But this should be the Coosa. We may not even be to the damn trailhead yet.
Right.
This shows Approach Trail too.
Approach Trail, yeah, that's right.
All right. How was it without going? But 500 people say.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, I need to. I've never had the thought to do it, but yeah, I probably. I mean, I have, but at the same time, I never really, felt like I needed to. But I don't know, the way you describe it, it sounds kind of interesting.
What, doing it?
No, reading a book about it.
Yeah. It's very. And that's coming from somebody who I don't read.
Right.
I'll listen to podcasts. I'll listen to online books all
Right.
day. I love it.
Well, I like reading about things that are real.
Right.
I don't like
Yeah.
fiction. I like nonfiction. So I would love to read something like that, but I just never have done it. Do a quick video update. It is 8. I can't even see my watch. I think it's 8:25. Gonna find our first campsite and set up camp. Might be in dark when we do it, but that's where we're at. Beautiful trail so far. Yeah, I've had to turn my light on a couple times. Then, like I said, I did a purpose night hike once. It's definitely different.
Fun.
Yeah.
I enjoy it. I really enjoy it. That book I read called Walking Through, the latest one. I've read, like I said, I read a couple. I read that Walk in the Woods.
Yeah.
And then the last one was Walking Through. And the guy is super religious, which I'm not into religion at all, but so, you know, whether you're into religion or not,
Right.
he throws it in there, but he doesn't cram it down your throat.
Right.
Because I would have gotten tired of that.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't do religion, but
Yeah. Me either.
but he did it in a tactful way. So his thing was, his wife, he was 60 years old, like, you know, early 60s, and his wife got diagnosed with cancer.
Right.
And, you know, she wound up dying, and they went through this battle with her, and